Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm bringing you a very healthy and delicious and easy to cook recipe. This is chicken dal, also known as chicken lentil, and this is very good if you're trying to lose weight or gain muscles. Without further ado, let's get started. You need half a bowl of lentil and soak it for half an hour. In the meantime, I've cut the half a bowl of chicken into fine cubes. I'm using following ingredients as shown on the screen. So I'm going to use electric cooker today. You can use instant pot or pressure cooker. I've already clicked the browning and set the timer for 15 minutes. I'm going to wait till like a minute for it to heat. I'm adding olive oil on it. I'm going to heat it for a minute. Red pepper, this is optional. Add cumin coriander mix. Seems to be heated now. So you can see it's burning, so I'm gonna add chopped onions. Ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add salt and pepper, half of them right now. So what this does is speeds the process of browning the. I'm gonna add chicken to it. We're gonna brown the chicken too. We're gonna add the remaining salt and pepper. I'm also using meat masala. You can use any other brand's meat masala. I'm using this one. Coming good. The chicken is really coming good. So you need to keep stirring this a couple of times. Add this lentil now. Lentils back on the bowl. Half a teaspoon of the meat masala again. Add the flavor. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna use a soup stew and put a timer for 20 minutes. So we're gonna wait like 20 minutes and this should be ready in 20 minutes. Chicken dal is ready now. Hope you guys gonna try this at home. See you guys next time.